3170 radio. I'm gonna have a vehicle right down in the embankment. Unknown if there's any passengers still in the vehicle. Vehicle's clear. 9 out of Georgia, Tango Alpha, uniform 4658. Where's she at? Hey, where's the guy at? 10-4, he's running on foot. Which way did the guy go? What is he wearing? Awesome. All I got at this time, checking in on the subject, is going to be a male with a gray hoodie. It's going to be towards the field. Say, me, see your hands! Hands! Get on the ground! I got contact. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I'm not gonna tell you again! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Lay out flat! Like an airplane! Like an airplane! Hands out! Put your hands behind your back! Don't move! He's still taking off! Back towards the runway! .3170 radio. Last visual. He's heading towards Little Mill. 3170, all units, be advised. There's possibly going to be a house around this area where the individual is currently hiding.
Careful, hold what you got. Good. We got K-9 around. 3170. You have school buses Where is the last time you saw him?
Right before the trucks. Our witness witnessed them go through here.
Right through here?
Right through here, right through these gates.
Okay. Hey, puppies! Miss!
Yeah.
He possibly went down in the woods.
Get a flash. Y'all check the road for me. Head down, tail up. No sway.
Try to keep that formation in there.
That's good tracking right there. Nope, negative, head up. Head up. He's not interested in that. See, he came right back up himself. Yeah.
You want us to hold for a second?
We're gonna hold.
You can just get a
Yeah,
third direct.
we're gonna hold. Let me go right back.
Over there when I shot him with the taser,
He was bleeding? He didn't come up this way. Flash does not care about anything this way. Let me come back down here. Find him. Come on, brother. Let's go find him. That was a lot more promising. That's promising. This is promising right here. I like it. Oh, boy. Negative, head up. Negative. I was promising. There we go. There we go. Good boy, Bubba. Let's go find that man. Go find that man. I'll check it. Yeah. He's tracking now. Leave it. He's all over in these woods, man. Hands! Put your hands! Put your hands! Get calm! Get calm! Put your hands! Put your hands! Put your hands! Put your hands!
Come out to me.
Come out towards us now! Now! I got the dog! I've got the dog! Come out towards us! Come out towards us! Bubbles! Good boys! Come here! Come here! Good boys, Flash! Come here, Bubbies! Come here, Bubbles! Come here, Bubbles! Oh.